তুমি যদি টেকনোলজি আগ্রহী হয়ে থাকো তাহলে তোমার জন্য রয়েছে দারুণ একটি সুযোগ।
If you had an interest in technology, then there is a great opportunity.
Do you also want to translate your videos very easily like this? If your answer is yes, then watch this tutorial carefully. First, open any browser on your computer, visit www.flexclip.com and press the Enter key. This is the Flexclip website homepage. Now we need to find the AI translation feature on this website and click on it. Then upload the video you want to dub. I have a Bengali language video, and I want to translate it from Bengali to English. To do this, simply select the video's original language as Bengali, choose English as the translation language, and then click the Translate button. Now, you need to create an account on this website. If you already have an account, simply log in. After logging in, click the Translate button again. You can translate up to 3 videos for free. My video is ready. Now click the black arrow button on the top right side, and then click the Export button. In the free plan, the video will be generated with a watermark, which is a downside. Now I will show you how to remove a watermark from a video. To do this, search for Watermark Remover from Video. You will see many results. Choose a website. For example, I'm using onlinevideocutter.com. Now click the Open File button and import your video. After that, your video will open in a video editor box. Next, select the Remove Logo option, then choose the logo or watermark you want to hide from your video. Finally, save it.